Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide or make your local IP address anonymous on Google Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll need to navigate to a special settings page that controls experimental features. In the address bar at the top, type chrome://flags and press enter. This will take you to Chrome's experimental features page where you can access advanced settings that aren't available in the regular settings menu. Now, you'll see a search bar at the top of this flags page. In this search bar, type anonymized local IPs exposed by WebRTC. This feature is specifically designed to protect your local IP address from being exposed through WebRTC, which is a technology that websites use for real-time communication like video calls. By enabling this feature, you're adding an extra layer of privacy to your browsing experience. Once you've searched for it, you'll see the option appear with a drop-down menu right beside it. This drop-down menu controls whether the feature is enabled or disabled. Go ahead and click on this drop-down menu to reveal the available options. From the list that appears, click on Enabled. This activates the anonymization feature and tells Chrome to start hiding your local IP address from websites that use WebRTC. After you've selected Enabled, you'll notice a blue button appear at the bottom of your screen that says Relaunch. It's important to click this button because the changes you just made won't take effect until Chrome restarts completely. Click the Relaunch button and Chrome will close and reopen automatically, applying your new privacy settings in the process. And that's it. Your local IP address is now anonymized on Google Chrome, giving you better privacy protection when browsing websites that use WebRTC technology. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.